Dear students, Proel governor is the simple modification of Porter governor. We are going to discuss a problem in this lecture related to the function of Proel governor. Okay, a Proel governor has equal arms of length 300 millimeter. The upper and lower ends of the arms are pivoted on the axis of the governor. The extension arms of the lower links are each 80 mm long and parallel to the axis when the radii of rotation of the balls are 150 mm and 200 mm. The mass of each ball is 10 kg and the mass of the central load is 100 kg. Determine the range of speed of the governor. This is the axis of the given Proel governor. In the given case, the upper and lower arms both are pivoted, that is attached to the axis of rotation. Both the arms are having a length of 300 mm. The ball is connected with the extension of the lower arms. The length of the extension of the lower arm is given as 80 mm in the problem. So mass of the ball is given as 10 kg and mass of the central sleeve is given as 100 kg. The minimum equilibrium speed of the governor, the radius of rotation is noted to be 150 mm. For this condition, we have asked to calculate the equilibrium speed of the governor, that is the minimum equilibrium speed. For the given condition of Proel governor, we can use this formula to calculate the minimum equilibrium speed. Okay, because there is no data to consider the effect of friction acting on the sleeve during the operating condition, so we have neglected the effect of friction in this formula, and both the upper and lower arms are of equal length and both are connected to the axis of the governor, so this angle and this angle will be equal. So for this simple case, we can use this relationship equation to calculate the minimum equilibrium speed of the Proel governor. Okay, here Fm and Bm are the distances. This connecting point is F and this point is M. The ball center point is B. If we notate these locations by these letters, then Fm is this distance and Bm is this distance. That is, Bm is Bf plus Fm. So M is the mass of the ball and capital M is the mass of the central sleeve. Here H is the height of the governor, which is the distance between the upper pivot point and the point at which the arms are getting connected. For the first condition, H1 is the initial height of the governor. So by considering this right angle triangle, H1 can be calculated as root of hypotenuse square minus side 1 square. So here hypotenuse is 300 mm, that is 0.3 meter square, minus side 1 square. Side 1 is 150 mm, that is 0.15 square. Okay, so the H1 value will be obtained as 0.2598 meter. In the given case, both the upper and lower right angle triangles are equivalent triangles because all the sides are equal for both the cases. So the height of the upper triangle will be equal to the height of the lower triangle for the given case. So the height of the lower triangle is the distance Fm. So in the given case, Fm is equal to H1 is equal to 0.2598 meter. Then for using this formula, we have to calculate Bm. So Bm is equal to Fm and Bf. Bf is given in the problem as 80 mm, that is 0.08 meter, plus Fm is 0.2598 meter. So the Bm value will be obtained as 0.3398 meter. Now we can use this formula. H1 is 0.2598 meter is equal to Fm is also 0.2598 meter for the present case. Bm is 0.3398 meter into 895 divided by N1 square into small m value is given in the problem as 10 kg plus capital M is 100 kg divided by small m. On calculating, we can get the value of N1 square as 28,972.9253, from which we can calculate the minimum equilibrium speed N1 for the Proel governor given in the problem as 170.21 rpm. Okay, now considering the maximum equilibrium condition of the given Proel governor, the radius of rotation of the balls has been noted to be 200 mm. So for this condition also we can calculate the height of the governor H2 as root of hypotenuse square of the right angle triangle, that is 0.3 meter square, minus side 1 square, that is 200 mm, 0.2 meter. Okay, so the H2 value can be obtained as 0.2236 meter. So in the formula we have to calculate Fm and Bm. Here Fm is this distance which is equal to the height of the lower triangle. So for the present case, the height of the upper triangle and the lower triangle will be equal, because all the sides of the upper triangle are exactly equal to the sides of the lower triangle. So here we can directly take the Fm value as H2 as 0.2236 meter. Next, to calculate Bm, from the diagram we can note that Bm is equal to Bf plus Fm. Bf, that is the length of the extension of lower arms at which the ball is connected, is 80 millimeter, that is 0.08 meter. Fm value is 0.2236 meter. So the Bm value will be obtained as 0.3036 meter. Okay, now we can use this formula to calculate the maximum equilibrium speed N2. H2 is 0.2236 meter. Fm is also 0.2236 meter for the present case, divided by 0.3036 meter into 895 divided by N2 square into small m is 10 kg plus capital M is 100 kg divided by small m 10 kg, from which we can calculate the value of N2. So here N2 square will be obtained as 32,427.5362. So N2 value will be 180.07 rpm. Okay. We have calculated the minimum and maximum equilibrium speeds of the Proel governor given in the problem. The minimum equilibrium speed N1 value has been calculated as 170.21 rpm, and the maximum equilibrium speed of the Proel governor given in the problem N2 as 180.07 rpm. So the range of speed of the given governor is N2 minus N1, that is 180.07 minus 170.21, that is 9.86 rpm. Range of speed of the given Proel governor is 9.86 rpm.